welcome back to my channel. So, in the previous video, you will know that few weeks back I applied for my pharmacy registration. So, first time I applied pharmacy license I applied. So, in 4 weeks I have my pharmacy registration right now with me. So, in this video, I will pharmacy registration unbox. So, without further ado, let's get started. So, this is my Kerala State Pharmacy Council registration post. This is an official post. This is official seal. Then Kerala State Pharmacy Council bold light edit. Then we address register address registration. Then the one thing I liked about this is that in the back contains documents in list tick so this post actually provisional certificate original course completion certificate final year mark list registration certificate and ID card. So without further ado, let's open it. Okay. So the first document is the original provisional certificate. This is the first document. The original provisional certificate. So that is the course. And along with that, final year mark list കിട്ടുന്നുണ്ട്. ഈ ഒറിജിനൽ സർട്ടിഫിക്കറ്റ് നമ്മൾ ഇനിഷ്യലി കൊടുക്കുന്നുണ്ടാവും സബ്മിറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. സോ ഇത് നമുക്ക് വരും. ആൻഡ് ഇതിൻ്റെ കൂടെ തന്നെ നമ്മുടെ കോഴ്സ് ആൻഡ് കണ്ടക്ഷൻ സർട്ടിഫിക്കറ്റും വരുന്നുണ്ട്. സോ ഇത്രയും ഈ 3 ഡോക്യുമെന്റ്സ് ആണ് നമുക്ക് ഒറിജിനൽ നമ്മൾ കൊടുത്തത് നമുക്ക് തിരിച്ചു വരുന്നത്. ആൻഡ് ദ മെയിൻ തിങ് നമുക്ക് ആവശ്യമുള്ള നമ്മൾ ഈഗർലി വെയിറ്റിംഗ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള മെയിൻ തിങ് നമ്മുടെ ഫാർമസി രജിസ്ട്രേഷൻ. Kerala State Pharmacy Council official registration and I'm officially a pharmacist. Yeah, that's right. Anyways, this is our picture, register and sign, register and date, so many beautiful details. The details So yeah, I'm really proud of this. Finally, registered pharmacist. And main karyam where main ID card. So ID card in the code, we tag Kerala State Pharmacy Council tag and then we ID card. This ID card initially a picture, details, registration number, so all of that is there in this. And along with that, pharmacist in the symbol RX in the symbol under this symbol and code stitch on pharmacy. Anyways, so I'm really happy that I received my pharmacy council registration after so long. Initially B-Pharm started registered license application I was really confused in the documents so yeah, this is sandosham and you register B-Pharm start course start course start license so yeah, I'm really proud of it and hope you guys also make it and like pass out B-Pharm and get your registered license. So I really hope that this video helped you in some way or the other. And please don't forget to show your love by liking that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. So till the next video, stay safe and stay happy. Bye.